This plant is called God's gift as it can cure diabetes. And how to make. Neem is an extremely beneficial natural cure in case of diabetes. All the parts of neem tree is usable. For diabetes cure, take the bark of dried neem tree and boil it in 2 glasses of water till it reduce to half. Have this solution twice a day. A glass of neem leaves juice also normalizes the blood sugar level. Simply, you can also chew 3-4 neem leaves in empty stomach. Many also likes to fry the neem leaves and use it with meals. Actually it reduces the bitterness of it and makes it consumable. Which part of neem is used to cure and control diabetes? Now the question arises, which part of neem is used to control diabetes? Don't worry, the part of neem which is used to control diabetes are illustrated below. 1. Neem leaf. Neem for diabetes may lead to control high blood glucose levels by stimulating insulin production in the beta cells. This is necessary for people with an insulin deficiency because it helps the pancreas distribute sugar throughout the body to provide energy. Neem leaf extracts and seeds are used as an active ingredient to cure diabetes. Neem leaf extracts leads to improve the blood circulation by dilating the blood vessels and also helpful in lowering the need of hypoglycemic drugs. 2. Neem extract and seed oil. Neem extract and seed oil both have been shown improvement in insulin sensitivity, means it allows the body to regulate sugar levels in the presence of smaller amount of insulin. How to use neem to treat diabetes? Now after the neem products, the question arises how to use neem for curing diabetes. The main ways of using neem for treating diabetes are illustrated below. 1. Powder. Directions: take a spoonful of neem powder directly in morning and evening. Take a teaspoon of neem powder and glass of water. Mix it and drink it in the morning and evening, and before going to bed.